Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natasha and today is all about my curly hair routine using Cécred. This is Beyonce's new hair care line released in February 2024, and I've seen a ton of videos on just like what a big difference it makes on natural hair, especially curls. So I wanted to share my full, complete, everything routine for those curious on how this line works with thick curly hair. Okay, so for reference, I would describe my texture as 3C and high porosity, meaning my curls need a ton of protein and moisture to stay in a healthy balance. With all that being said, in this video, I'll be going over my entire 7-step wash and style routine with the Cécred collection. Just showing how each and every product works, how to apply them, and then which specific ones I think were the most worth it and actually made a big difference in my hair. Before I get into the products, I want to share my natural oil routine that I do every other week to ease the detangling process and stay moisturized during shampoo sessions. Some of my personal favorites are coconut, olive, grapeseed, castor, and amla. I detangle with a wide tooth comb first, moving from the ends to the roots. And then I go in with a gentle brush designed for curls like the wet brush or the curl keeper or a tangle teaser, something like that, just to get the tiny knots out and spread the oil. Like I want the oil on every single little hair on my head. Now step 1 in my wash day routine is my protein treatment. Today I'm using the Cécred 2-part fermented rice and rose protein ritual. It comes with 4 sets. The first part is a powder that you mix with warm water in this beautiful shaking bottle, and it works exactly like my rice water treatment, which I shared a video on a couple years ago. This just actually smells good. If you've ever made rice water at home, you know the smell I'm talking about. Oh my gosh. It smells just like rose water though, but I let it sit for like 5 minutes while I do a body scrub or something, and then I rinse it out with the second part, which is the silk rinse. This product prevents your hair from getting protein overload and keeps it in balance by adding moisture back in right away, because like I said, all healthy hair has to stay in balance between those two, especially high porosity hair. But it was so slippery, and this little pouch was surprisingly enough to saturate my whole head. Love that, because I was definitely worried I was gonna have to open 2, but the one was good. This to me was the silkiest and the most slippery product in the collection. Next up is thoroughly cleansing my hair and scalp. One unique thing about this collection is it comes with 2 shampoos and technically no conditioner, only a deep conditioner. But I'm not really mad at that because I never use lightweight conditioners anyway. I need something a little bit more nourishing since I wash my hair only once a week. So first is the clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub. It has these teeny little beads that dissolve super quick, and it gives a really good lather. This one smells a little different from the rest of the collection. It's sort of like a sweet mint, whereas the other products are more like jasmine. It's a really beautiful scent this collection has. It's kind of masculine. It's not fruity or floral. It's kind of musky, which I personally love. Anyways, when cleansing, I always start with my scalp, focus on my roots, and then slowly run it down my strands. And this does a decent job of detangling, which is always a major plus for me coming from a shampoo, but especially a clarifying shampoo. The other shampoo option is for when you want more of a co-wash or just want to double cleanse while adding some moisture back in, and that is the hydrating shampoo. This one doesn't lather quite as much, but it does a much better job of detangling, and it honestly works exactly like a 2-in-1 conditioner and shampoo combined, I think due to the hyaluronic acid. The scrub left my hair squeaky clean as a whistle, and then the hydrating shampoo left it feeling like I already used a conditioner, honestly. Okay, so we covered my protein treatment and cleansing. Now for step 3 in my wash day routine: hair masks. The first mask in the Cécred collection is the reconstructing mask, which doesn't really have a smell, and the consistency is kind of like Elmer's glue, but without the stickiness. This is the only product definitely not meant for detangling. I'm gonna tell you that right now. So I've been going through it kind of quickly because it doesn't spread very easily. That's probably my only con with this one, but it does have like a patent pending, really cool bioactive, I don't know, keratin technology. So it has like honey and natural wool protein, and it works a lot like Olaplex number 3, which is one of my favorite products. But anyways, I let this sit for like, I don't know, 10-20 minutes, let it do its magic. For extra benefits, you can use a heat cap, and I just finished the rest of my face and body shower routine. And then the other option for a mask is the deep conditioner, my personal favorite in the line. Well, that and the scrub, because they were the most concentrated products to me. A little goes a really long way, and I always accidentally use too much, which honestly has never been a problem with my thick hair. But this is the only other time in my routine besides the oil treatment that I use a brush, because over detangling is the #1 cause of breakage, and your hair is really fragile when it's wet. But it's also really important to evenly distribute deep conditioner to every single strand of hair, all over the scalp, all over the edges, just everywhere. I once heard somebody say, if you're not applying your hair mask like a relaxer, you're not doing it right. So do not forget the roots. Last step, I hate this step, y'all, but we gotta do it. The cold water rinse for just like 10-15 seconds. Just rinse all the warm water out. This is great after a deep conditioner because it helps close the hair cuticles and trap moisture in, so it's less frizzy, it's more shiny, and my wash and goes last a lot longer. All right, and that's it for wash day. This is my hair straight out of the shower, clean, washed, conditioned, and the next step is styling. These are the final two products left in the collection, the nourishing hair oil and the moisture sealing lotion. By the way, this lotion is not designed or advertised to provide hold like, say, a curl cream or a gel. It only moisturizes the hair, not defines it. So basically this is a leave-in conditioner. For my curly hair to have what I would consider a good hair day, it needs moisture and definition. So I typically use a leave-in followed by a gel in my routine. This collection doesn't have a gel yet, so I'm pairing it with my all-time favorite, this one by Curlsmith, which is the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. Now, I never just comb products through my hair and go. I work one section at a time from the bottom up, and I do finger coils while pulling my hair away from the scalp. That's how I get my curls to have a lot of volume but keep the definition on the end. This product is also very concentrated like the shampoo and the deep conditioner. A little bit goes a long way. I find it works best on soaking wet hair, so I'll rehydrate with castor oil water as I style, and the product just spreads a little bit easier. Then finally I use a little bit of gel and glaze it on, not scrunch, glaze with flat hands to lock the curls in place so that they can dry in what's called the gel cast. I just keep moving up and do the middle section next, adding the moisture lotion, finger coils, and then gel. The top I save for last since it's like my bangs and most noticeable section of my head. I do my crown very last, and I curl it in all different directions. That's the secret to big hair. No middle part, no side part at the top, just curls going every which way. All right, I know we covered a lot so far, y'all, but stay with me. We're almost done. We washed it, we styled it. Now to dry the hair and basically like freeze it in place, I use this diffuser by Timo. I think it's the Dyson dupe, but I actually love it because it has more settings, it's cheaper, and it seems a little bit more tailored to curly hair. Anyways, I use medium heat and full power because I'm impatient and usually tired by this step. I'm pretty sure they say cold air is the best, but it takes forever to dry, forever. Wash day is really a marathon. Oh my God, if you have long curly hair and you have to deep condition and detangle and clarify, wash day is a marathon. But that's really it for styling. I blow dry until it's like 80% dry, and then I let the rest air dry because it causes less frizz at the roots. I usually do my wash days at night, and then I use the oil in the morning to refresh it and make it bouncy and fluffy, but that's only after it's completely dry. And for my night routine, I use this same hair cap in all my styles. It's kind of like a bonnet, but it keeps my hair even more compressed. It never falls off. It's easy to sleep in. And it's kind of cute, I don't know. Last step, y'all, last step, final stretch, last step in my full curly hair routine, and that is using a nourishing but lightweight oil to break the cast and separate my little curl clusters. I love this part. Once my hair is fully dry, it has a bunch of chunky, juicy, shiny little ringlets. This is day one hair, which is my neatest, but I don't like it because I like big hair. So I use the hair oil to make my hands slippery and then slowly begin pulling the curls apart where they naturally separate. I focus the oil on the mids and the ends, and I kind of glaze it on just like I did the gel. So flat hands, very gently, no scrunching. And sometimes for extra volume, I will literally blow dry my roots and stretch them out and like massage my scalp a little bit. And then for me personally, the true test of quality hair products is seeing how they hold up in my hair several days after. I am a working woman, y'all. I need my wash and goes to last all week, and I don't like to be fumbling with my hair very long in the morning. So I wanted to show how this product held up. This is my day 4 hair, my personal favorite. It's not the most perfect, it's not the neatest, but it's big and it's fluffy and it looks natural and healthy and it's big. I love it. I absolutely love it. This is a great hair day. But yeah, thanks for watching my review. Thank you to Beyonce and her team for, I don't know, like noticing me on my little corner of the internet and like seeing my videos and being like, yeah, let's send her a box. So I'm very appreciative. This is definitely like a highlight in my content career. Beyonce's my friend, y'all. If you have type 3 or 4 hair, you should definitely give some of these products a try, especially my favorites, which are the Moisture Sealing Lotion, aka leave-in conditioner, the Protein Ritual, and the Scalp Scrub. Just because they're super concentrated and they'll last me the longest, and I saw a big difference after them. Oh, and definitely the deep conditioner. My second faves would probably be the hydrating shampoo, because it really is all-in-one, and then the oil for sure, because that one I use daily to refresh. Everything was great though, definitely high quality. The only thing I could see improving this collection would probably be like a product for definition, something like a curl cream or a jelly, just because this lotion is not enough on its own to style curls, and then maybe like a lightweight conditioner or a detangler, something like that. I love those. This video is focused more on my routine and how to correctly use the collection, but for my longer in-depth review, which includes a more detailed look at each product, definitely check out my next video. That one will cover things like which alternative brands / products I would compare Cécred to, along with different ways to style with the product. I can tell this collection took a lot of time and research and effort to formulate, and none of it feels cheap or drying or watered down, so I like it. Bye y'all. Love you.